Are you an IT tech, cable installer, or network engineer looking for a fast and accurate way to measure cable lengths, locate faults, or test network cables in the field? Well, we have the tool for you. Hey, Garrett here. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're introducing our network cable tester and TDR, part number TDR-100, a compact and cost-effective tool built to measure cable lengths precisely and diagnose faults in seconds. Here are some key features. The TDR function measures network cable lengths and detects breakpoints from 6.6 to 1,312 feet or 2 to 400 meters. The wire pair mapping tests cables for line sequence, opens, shorts, wrong pairs, and reverse connections, as well as a built-in tone generator for tracing cables. It's compact and rugged, making it perfect for use in the field or a server room. And it features a 2.5-inch color LCD screen for use in any lighting condition. Using the TDR-100 is simple. Connect your cable to the appropriate port. Use the menu to select your test mode. You can instantly view the cable length, possible fault location, and wire map results on the screen. And if you need to trace a cable, activate the tone function and use the tone probe to track it down. That's the Jonard Tools Network Cable Tester and TDR, your go-to tool for accurate cable measurement and quick fault identification.